Seagrass meadows are extremely valuable. In fact, they're one of the world's most valuable habitats. They are biodiversity hotspots, they help to keep our water clean, they mitigate climate change through carbon sequestration, and they provide a habitat for fish.
What's really cool about seagrass meadows is that although they only cover about 0.2% of the ocean seabed, there's evidence that they sequester and store around 10% of the ocean's carbon. So they have a really important role to play.
Seagrasses sequester carbon by capturing and storing carbon dioxide. Like other plants, they use photosynthesis to convert carbon dioxide into biomass, and this allows them to store the carbon in their leaves and their roots. They are also able to trap organic matter and carbon in the sediments, and this is where the majority of the carbon is stored.
Restore the Meadows is our multi-year seagrass restoration research program. And our aim is to develop seagrass restoration techniques for Aotearoa. Our main focus is seed-based techniques, but we are also trialling the transplanting of adult plants as well.
Seed-based restoration is appropriate for New Zealand conditions because now that we know that flowers occur, it can produce a high number of seeds, and that allows us to collect these seeds in higher numbers, and we're able to store them at length prior to germination and sow them back into the wild.
Our Seagrass Restoration Blueprint is aimed at groups or individuals and organisations who are interested in carrying out seagrass restoration across Aotearoa.
Most people could be involved in seagrass restoration efforts. These include community, iwi, science, industry, and government, because they all play an important role in changing the spectrum of a declining seagrass meadow to an increase in seagrass cover.
Our next steps for seed-based seagrass restoration is to further optimise the techniques, as there are still quite a few knowledge gaps to fill. And we also hope to use our knowledge to support people who are interested in carrying out seagrass restoration.
I hope we can change the decline in seagrass meadows to an incline, and with that we can then clean up coastal waters, we can improve fishery, we can improve biodiversity, and in general increase more visibility into such an important foundation species which is around most urban coastlines.
We are also seeking ongoing funding to support this incredible research so we can do more faster to help mitigate climate change and restore our precious aquatic environments.